If you're seeing Epic Games error code LS-0018, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that can get your game launching again. This usually happens when a game is already running in the background, the launcher gets stuck, or a game process doesn't close properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. This is where we can check for anything that's still running in the background and causing the LS-0018 error. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running apps and background processes. Find Epic Games Launcher and also look for the specific game you're trying to play. If you see either of them still active, click on them one by one, then choose End Task. Make sure you fully close both the launcher and the game process, because even one stuck process can block the game from opening again. After ending those tasks, close Task Manager and open Epic Games Launcher again. Once the launcher reloads, try launching the game another time. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue because the launcher starts fresh and clears out the stuck session. If the error is still showing up, don't panic. The next step is to restart your PC. A full restart can clear any background processes or temporary glitches that Task Manager may not catch. After your computer restarts, open Epic Games Launcher again and test the game once more. If LS-0018 still appears, the next thing you should do is verify your game files. This is very important because missing or corrupted files can sometimes prevent the game from starting correctly. To do this, go to your library inside Epic Games Launcher, then find the game causing the issue. Click the three dots next to the game, choose Manage, and then select Verify. The launcher will now check your game files and repair anything that's missing or damaged. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take a few minutes, so give it some time to finish. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game again. In most cases, fixing background processes and verifying the files will resolve Epic Games error code LS-0018. If it still doesn't work, double check that there isn't another copy of the game already open and make sure your launcher has updated properly. Sometimes simply fully closing the launcher and relaunching it after a restart can make all the difference. The key is to make sure nothing is stuck in the background before trying again. I hope this helped you fix Epic Games error code LS-0018 quickly. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful gaming troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.